hours.
What now?
This is all shoveled, kinda, before we left.
Yeah. Yeah, that's more than a foot.
Up to my knees.
Yeah.
I can't find the step.
Plowed snow all the way in.
Oh my God.
This is my running board's here. Pretty much level with the snow. Oh my God. It's literally knee deep.
My knees.
We just plowed this yesterday, literally. That's like 18 inches of snow there. Wow. How much snow you figure we got?
I wish we had a tractor here.
Yeah, we need to get the tractor and get some stuff open here. Oh boy. It's still coming down.
Oh, I just dropped my water.
Oh no. That's over your knees.
Ah,
They didn't call for this much snow.